Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 minutes. This prevents accidental airbag deployment. Next, remove the radio trim, center vents, and lower knee panel so you can access the dash fasteners. Keep every screw and clip labeled in separate bags because reassembly depends on organized parts. Use a trim tool and Torx and Phillips drivers to pry carefully. This minimizes cracked plastic and hidden broken tabs. Once done, you'll have clear access to the dash mounting bolts behind the trim. You now unfasten the main mounting bolts holding the dash to the body. Expect roughly 6 to 8 bolts under the windshield, behind the glove box, and near the crossmember. Once bolts are out, disconnect HVAC controls, blower motor harness, stereo connectors, and speedometer cluster plugs one at a time so you remember their positions. Support the dash with a padded stand or a helper to prevent sudden drops. Make sure to relieve tension on each wiring harness and avoid bending connector pins, because damaged pins cause intermittent electrical faults later. You and a helper lift the dash straight out, watching a /C lines and HVAC ducts to avoid snagging. Small movements prevent tearing duct boxes. Once free, set the dash on a padded surface and inspect all clips and mounting points. Replace any broken clips so reinstallation fits snugly. Before reinstalling, test electrical connectors and instruments while the dash is accessible. If the dash won't come free, check for hidden screws behind trim or under the seats. One overlooked fastener is the most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.